SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to recover deleted messages on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you've recently deleted a text message on your iPhone and you would like to recover that message, then you have the ability to do so. You can do this by first going into the Settings app, scrolling down, and selecting the Messages option. You can then scroll down on this menu until you find the Filter Unknown Senders option, which you need to enable. Now you can go back to the Messages app, and you'll see that there is a Filters button at the top left corner of this screen. So if you tap that Filters button, you can then select Recently Deleted, and here you'll see the text messages that you have recently deleted on your phone. Note that these messages get deleted periodically after a certain amount of time, and that can take up to 40 days. So if you want to recover one of these messages, you can either select that message and tap Recover, or you can tap Recover All, which will select all of the messages so that you can recover them. It looks like that, and then you can just touch the Recover Messages button, and it will restore those messages to the original text message conversation. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.